Right. Out on the bike ride today, out to the New Forest. Find a nice little spot, cook myself a little bit of lunch. I've got a little recipe to try today. Jamie Oliver Easy Kedgeree. It's quite good fun. Ooh. Bit of water. Bit of boardwalk. Looks nice and dry, fortunately. Way. Right, watch out. Oh. Lovely bit of single track here. An onion, some rice, a few frozen peas, some garam masala, and a tin of peppered mackerel, and an egg. So what I'm going to cook is a simple kedgeree. It's a little Jamie Oliver recipe. That's because that's not in. This is a tin of mackerel. I'm going to use some of the oil. Cook up my onions, pop my garam masala in, pop my rice in, pop my peas in. Oh, this is nice. A bit of garam masala in, good healthy teaspoonful. Ooh, that's smelling nice. Some good fragrances coming out. Peppered mackerel going in now. Oh, and some good portions there. Shredding up the fish now. I've got half a packet of ready-made rice. Breaking this up. So it cooks some peas to go in. Now, this was some frozen peas. Let's put a little bit more oil in there. This is all good. Just tasting that. definitely have a little bit more garam masala in. Make sure I don't get it all in one place. Not straight enough. Get that bit of egg whipped up. Little 1 pan omelette going on here. Not looking the best, that omelette, but it's definitely there. Right, there we go. So, we've got a type of Kedgeree here. Well, it works well with the fish. That is good. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Very tasty.